ضرورت بھی نہیں ہے. ماشاء اللہ آپ کی کتابت بہت ہی لیکن بہرحال سب سے پہلے تو میں شکر گزار ہوں مجھے شاعری کا کہ انہوں نے پہلی مرتبہ یہ پروگرام کیا ہے. ظاہر ہے یہ پروگرام ہمارے مسلمانوں کے لیے باعث فخر ہے. ہم آج اس کی میلاد بھی بنا رہے ہیں جو کہ سردار انبیاء ہے. شروع کرتے ہیں. بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. الحمد للہ رب العالمین والصلاة والسلام علی خیر خلقہ واشرف الانبیاء والمرسلین وخاتم النبیین وبالقاسم محمد. ان اللہ وملائکتہ یصلون علی النبی یا ایھا الذین آمنوا صلوا علیہ وسلموا تسلیما. جناب رسول خدا کی امت میں سے میں ہیں اور بڑی فخر کی بات یہ ہے کہ سورہ مائدہ جو قرآن کی 5ویں سورہ ہے اس میں جب حضرت عیسیٰ سے خطاب ہوتا ہے تو کیا کہا جاتا ہے کہ حضرت عیسیٰ جب مٹی سے کبوتر یا پرندہ بنا رہے تھے تو اللہ نے کہا کہ میرے اذن سے تم بنا رہا. اس کے بعد جب حضرت عیسیٰ نے روح اپنی پھونک کھانس کو روح میں پیدا ہوئی تو اللہ نے کہا کہ میرے اذن سے ہوگا. اس کے بعد خدا بند عالم کہتا ہے کہ عیسیٰ تو مردوں کو زندہ کرتا ہے یہ میرا اذن ہے. تو کوڑی لیپریسی کو ہیلنگ کرتے ہیں وہ بھی جو ہے اللہ کی مرضی. تو یہ ہر عمل میں اللہ نے یہی کہا کہ بے اذن. بلکہ اور جب ہمارے رسول کی باری آئی تو کیا کہا کہ قاری صاحب نے تلاوت کی سورہ احزاب کی 45 سورہ میں ایک مختصر پڑھنا تھا کہ مطلب یا ایھا النبی انا ارسلناک شاہدا مبشرا ونذیرا وداعیا الی اللہ باذنہ وسراجا منیرا. رسول اللہ کے پاس ایک مرتبہ اذن دیا گیا. اذن یہ کہنا چاہیے عظیم جو اذن تھا وہ عمومی تھا. یعنی یہ اس اذن کی برکت تھی کہ جب پتھر آپ کے ہاتھوں میں آتے تھے اسٹون ہاتھ میں آتے تھے کرنا ہوتا. جب کبھی آپ نے درخت کو بلایا تو درخت آپ کے پاس آ گیا. کبھی آپ نے اس چاند کے ٹکڑے کرنے چاند کے ٹکڑے ہو گئے اور مختلف معجزات ہیں. تو یہ ایک عجیب اللہ کی مرضی ایسی تھی کہ خدا عالم ہمارے نبی کو سب سے بلند پیدا کرے. چاہے جائے کہ اور نبی بھی اللہ کے اذن سے آئے لیکن ان کا اذن مخصوص ہی تھا. میرا ہمیشہ خیال یہ رہا کہ ان کے حالات دیکھیں کیا. رسول اللہ صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم بچوں کے لیے اور اپنے یوتھ کے لیے انہوں نے کہا کہ انٹرسٹڈ نہیں ہوتے بعض دفعہ نہیں آتے کہ دیکھا جائے کہ رسول اللہ کی زندگی تھی کیا. How did he start his life? That is day one he announced when there was prophet. No, he waited 40 years to say to the people that he is the most honest person in the world. People don't like him, but he was the Amin for them. He was, he was keeping for them the things which they could not trust anybody else. And then if you look at his life, if we talk to Americans or to a Christian or to anybody else, we'll talk to them like this. Look at the prophet's life. 40 years, he did not announce any announcement on that. After 40 years, he was in Makkah. In Makkah, where he lives, there was not Muslims who were treated very badly. You cannot pray openly. You cannot say any word about Islam openly. Then he went to Medina. And in Medina, what happened? In 13 years only, look at his life. He became one of the most I can say the important person of the century, or not saying all the centuries, and even the books have written that Muhammad is one of the greatest leader of the world. Why? And that is the life of which we should study about him. Why did he do Surah Al-Hudaybiyah with the enemy? Though the people of that time was reluctant about this, but Prophet did that, and see what the result was unanimously. Prophet become very successful. Then, as we all know, he fought many wars which was upon him. Not he didn't fight himself, but there were done upon him. For example, all these are done by the kuffar of Makkah. But when the Prophet went there as a ruler, when the Prophet went there as a leader, he did not say to anyone, or he did not kill anyone, and even those arch enemy of the Prophet were also saved by him. And that is the character we should exhibit ourselves. I will not take a long time because everybody is in a rush, but the thing is, this is the time we should ponder about the Prophet's life. What does he want from us? Thus today, the Muslim Ummah, which is the greatest Ummah in the earth, is being treated the way it is treated. Why it is happening? And that is the question which we should have. And in the end, because it's a gathering which I want to bring something about Asma Husna of the Prophet. Because the Islam is the following of Quran Majid and the life of the Prophet. So, if we look at the Prophet did not harm anyone in the world. Even in the animals, he was very, very kind to them. Even those who were against him, even those who were throwing bad names and whatever, it's a garbage, whatever, still, he respected him. Why? Because to teach his ummah, to teach his followers the way the Prophet, we should be acting upon them. Today, if I'm wrong, the best way, instead of hitting me, killing me, you come to me and with love, with affection, teach me about the good things. And if I say you are wrong, I should do the same thing. I should go and teach the thing, or tell the thing which is proper to be a good human being. But we see in the Ummah there is all differences because of just of being away from the life of the Prophet, away from the teaching of the Prophet. And in the end, it's such a beautiful gathering. As always, Prophet, see, I see my sisters are here, and the Prophet is the one who always respected the woman. He will never leave Medina, the town, without paying salam to her daughter. And when he comes back, she's the first one to receive a salam. This is the teaching of the Prophet, how to respect a woman, how to respect a woman. I'll explain to you about this, the significance. But in a general, the importance of in Islam, the woman is the more. If you look at the history of Islam, if you look how Islam went, you all know, and you should know, that Hazrat Khadija al-Kubra was all his wealth, which made the Muslims very flourishing, and he paid every penny she spent in the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In the end, when she died, she was died in such a way that she had nothing left for herself. And that was a message for the Prophet, is a very simple message that we should be kind to each other, love to each other. And love is the most strongest weapon we have. Without the love, we can conquer anything. And the hate, we will never will succeed, as you all know what is happening. But I won't go into detail on that. So love is the message of today's, that we should love each other, love our neighbor, love our younger, love our older, love our ladies, love our gentlemen. And we always try to follow the life of the Prophet, which is for us is the way that we will be really have a good life thereafter. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.